Is it bad if you check your Facebook insights and they are all showing red? If you're a content creator or you run a Facebook business page, then this post is for you. It is very important to understand your Facebook insights. Come close, let me walk you through. Be sure to like and share and even save this video, you may need it later. So this is an insight from my profile, one of my profile. So now you can see the reach. Reach simply means like the number of persons Facebook has placed your post in front of, the number of people that have seen that post, that as they are scrolling through Facebook they have come across your post. That is what reach means. 3-second video views, this is for your video uploads or reels, which means people have watched it at least 3 seconds. If you have like 5 minutes, 2 minutes, a minute video, but if they've watched at least 3 seconds of that video, then it will count towards these 3 seconds video views. But if they watch it less than 3 seconds, it won't count. So once they've watched up to 3 seconds of any of your video you post, it will count towards this your 3 second video view. Then your net followers, this like the number of persons that have followed you within the time frame, which is 28 days. Then for your engagement is the number of persons that have liked, shared, commented on any of your posts. That is your engagement within that 28 days. So you can see that if for the last 28 days you posted like 50 posts, and the next 28 days period you didn't post that much, your reach may reduce, because the more you upload, the tendency that your reach will go further. Then you can check the media type that increases your reach. Like for this one we are looking at, the video post has 7K reach, text has 1.4, and photos 1.1, reels. So you can see which of your post, your content type increases your reach. So you can post, which means you're posting either more of that kind of content, or that content did so well that Facebook increased, took it to a wider audience. So if you can see my audience, followers just gave me 10.8% of my reach, while non-followers gave me 82 point something percent, which means Facebook is giving my post a wider reach. It's taking it far more than my followers. It's taking it beyond my followers, which is a good thing, which shows that that content is good and Facebook is trying to spread it more. And one of my video is what gave me that reach, because it just took off and it went like the views went up because the reach too went far. So if Facebook, one of your posts do so well, your reach will just go far and wide, your reach will increase. So that is the importance of understanding your reach. So it's, if you're uploading often, it will also increase your reach, because the more you post, the more people tends to come across your post. Then but also one post can just do so well. So if we check our engagement, the importance of understanding your engagement, if you're a business person, you can know if it's the type of people you want for that your business that is engaging with you. You can actually know through this and check that also. If you're into a female kind of business and more males are engaging with your post, it may be good because they may buy for their female partners. It may not also be good because you may have less customers. Under engagement, you can still check the media type your followers engages more with. Is it your videos, your posts, your picture, your text, so your reels? You can still check and see what is giving you more engagement. So if you can do more of that type of content, or you can just also improve this other kind of content. So now if you you can also check the age and the gender of your audience, your the country type. Like from this my dashboard, you can see I have Nigeria, I have Kenya, India, United States, Ghana, United Kingdom, Algeria, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Uganda. So these are my top countries that engages with my post, or my that engages with my post. Then you can see the cities that engage. This is very important as a business person if you want to do targeted Facebook ads. If you want me to show you how to do Facebook ads, let me know in the comment section. I will give a detailed tutorial on how to do Facebook ads. The age range of my followers are from 18 to 54. So this is all about understanding your insights. If you found value, please like this video.